even if I am late to return, or in Japanese, 私の帰りが遅くなっても、いてっけ干しっぱもいれあんやっか。So, いてっけ. See, this is confusing to me because いてっけ is don't. And then 干しっぱ, return. もいれ, slow. An, I. やっか, even if, I think. So, いてっけ干しっぱもいれあんやっか. So, even if my return is slow or late, いてっけ干しっぱもいれあんやっか。いてっけ干しっぱもいれあんやっか。So, いてっけ don't really. This is usually a negative order. So, don't do something. 干しっぱ return, もいれ slow, an, I, and やっか even if. Or in Japanese, 私の帰りが遅くなっても. So, even if my return is late, いてっけ干しっぱもいれあんやっか。いてっけ干しっぱもいれあんやっか。So what is even if my return is late? Plus a random order. I te ke hoshippa moire an yakka. 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 So the next one is, in Japanese they say, こうして作っておきます, which is to create for later, essentially. So I'll make this for later, I guess, or in this way, really. So, たあからはおかな. Ta, so in this way. Akara, I will make. Wa, and. Oka, be. So this is like, I don't actually know. You've got kaneang, which is when you're doing two things at the same time, I think. I think kar wa oka is do and then something, maybe. So, ta akar wa oka na. Ko shite tsukutte okimasu. So, like this, I will make it for later, I guess. So, ta akar wa oka na. Ta akar wa oka na. So what is, like this, I will make it for later. Ta akar wa oka na. Ta akar wa oka na. So the next one is, don't at all fret and stay at home, please. Something like that, or stay at home on your own. Look after the house on your own, please. Which in Japanese would be 決して心配せずに留守番してください。留守番していてください. So that's continuing to stay home. So いてけいおにそまのしるいえおかやん. So if we break it down, itekke, again, that's the order. Itekke, don't. Then you, enisomap, worry. No. So this no, I think, is like negative, don't do something and something, or don't do something while something. So no, shiruyewe. So stay at home. Okayang, so stay. This should be shiruye wa oka yang. So that's a wa and then oka. For some reason, there's no space in between ye and wa on my iPad. but it should be separate words. So we'll go back to it, and it is iteke I enisoma no shiruye wa okayang. So altogether, don't worry and continue staying at home or be staying at home, something like that. So iteke I onisoma no shiruye wa okayang. So what is don't worry and stay at home? Iteke I enisomap no shiruye wa okayang. So rusubang itself is like caretaking, house sitting, house watching, staying at home. So it has all of those sorts of meanings. So I'm guessing that the Ainu shiruye is the same. Shiruye, shiruye, shiruye. Iteke I enisomap no shiruye wa okayang. 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 So the next one is suddenly, like in the middle of something, going towards the east. So tochu higashi no hou e. In Ainu would be shirahontom ta ekoika un wa. Shirahontom ta ekoika un wa. So shirahontom, I think, is tochu, so in the middle of, right in the middle of doing something. Ta, so shirahontom ta, shirahontom ta, ekoika, ekoika. I think this is towards the east. So ekoika, ekoika. Is towards, I believe, and then wa is maybe and, so it's linking to another part of a sentence. So, shirahontom ta ekoika un wa. Shirahontom ta ekoika un wa. So, right in the middle, or right when something was happening, towards the east. Shirahontom ta ekoika un wa. Shirahontom ta ekoika un wa. So, right in the middle, towards the east. Shirahontom ta ekoika un wa. 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 So what are the following in English? Ta akara wa okana. Ta akara wa okana. たあからはおかな。Like this, make for later. たあからはおかな。たあからはおかな。たあからはおかな。So in Japanese, 作っておきます is to make and then place in a way. So it's kind of like to make for later. I'm guessing that's the same. If that's how they've translated it, then the Ainu must be the same. Next. いてっけ、ほしっぱもいら、もいれ、あんやっか。いてっけ、ほしっぱもいれ、あんやっか。いてっけ、ほしっぱもいれ、あんやっか。So, really, itekke is don't come back, don't do something. So, but the translation is, even if I come home late, if I return late. So, itekke hoshippa moire anyakka. Itekke hoshippa moire anyakka. Itekke hoshippa moire an yakka. Itekke hoshippa moire an yakka. Itekke hoshippa moire an yakka. So the next one is itekke I enisomap no shiruie wa okayan. Itekke I enisomap no shiruie wa okayan. Itekke I enisomap no shiruie wa okayan. So don't worry and stay at home, or don't worry and look after the house. So itekke I enisomap no shiruie wa okayan. 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 And then finally, shirahontomta ekoika unwa. Shirahontomta ekoika unwa. Shirahontomta ekoika unwa. So right in the middle, or right whilst doing something, towards the east. So maybe going towards the east, or decide to go towards the east, I don't know. So in Japanese, 途中、東の方へ. So, 白本とんた、えこいかうんわ。白本とんた、えこいかうんわ。白本とんた、えこいかうんわ。白本とんた、えこいかうんわ。白本とんた、えこいかうんわ。